To bomb crowds, I pay back what relates. Play back the tape to raise the rage of the population. Claim back your place and say no to cooperation. So stand the fuck up if you just had enough. The plan's coming unstuck, the facts flattered in blood. The planet struggles to love, and when the push comes to shove, we stand together as brothers and find the power as one.
Yeah, my mind's the only weapon of war, affecting my core. Politicians are main terrorists that step on my shore. You have more than your time to speak, so give me the mic and the beat. Ciphers of rhymes ignite and enlighten the beast. As long as the sun sets in the west and rises in the east, I ain't gonna decipher the sense in fighting for peace. Hitting agendas for big bucks. Our prime minister up on the nuts of a shifty sick fuck. Hicking a pickup truck. Somebody pass me some piss in a cup and called it white wine. Breaking humanity's laws in the line of fighting crime. Pride is defined, but it was never your son who stepped off the plane riding the mine.
Rotates and we debate on the basis of hatred. From armor plated trucks to the head of the state. From financial aid to fucking hand grenades. Your whole shit gets invaded if you dare disobey.
Emaciated faces that stare from the pages.
Raceless, we grace this statement of nature. The city to Kuwait, from fanatics to the faithless. The chase for serenity and peace is the basis. So stand the fuck up if you just had enough. The plan's coming unstuck, the facts flattered in blood. The planet struggles to love, but when the push comes to shove, we stand together as brothers and find the power as one.